Welcome back to Final Cut Pro with the Fro. Today, I want to show you how you can add closed captions to your videos. So to get the closed caption box to pop up inside of Final Cut Pro, what you'll need to do is hit the Alt and C keys together, and that will bring the pop-up box here. If you need a different language other than English, what you can do is click on English and come down to Edit Roles. So here where it says language, you can add any other language that you may need. But for today, I'll be using English, so I'll just leave it how it is. So in order to add the closed caption to your video, you're gonna wanna play back the audio and hear the words that are being said and type it in the closed caption box here to add it to the video. So as I'm listening back, I'm just gonna type in the words that I need. Welcome back to Final Cut Pro with the Fro. As you can see, the closed caption box went away before I was done saying that line. So what you can do here to adjust the length of your closed caption box is just drag it over, and you can see it matches the waveform at the bottom. So now if I play it, it will go away as I'm done saying those words. Welcome back to Final Cut Pro with the Fro. So now to add the next closed caption box, what I'm gonna do is hit Alt C again. We have the same box, and to open up this box here again, once the pop-up screen is gone, you're just going to want to double click, and now you're able to add your words inside of here. So I'll continue this process until I have this whole clip here with the closed captions added to it. Today I want to show you how you can color correct it. So now you'll continue that closed captioning process throughout the whole video until you come to the end. If you'd like to change the text at all inside the closed caption box, what you're going to want to do is come over here into the Inspector tab, and you can change the font to bold, italic, add an underline, whatever style you want to go with, or you can change the color if you desire by using the eyedropper here, or you can click on the box and go about changing it using the tools inside here. Also, for the placement, if you want the closed caption to show up at the bottom of the video, it's already selected here, but we can move it up to the top by choosing that area. So depending on where you want your closed caption box, you might want to use these changes here. And you can just leave the timing and validation here. You won't have to change anything in there. In order to navigate in between each closed caption box, you can use these arrows here. So as you can tell, as it went by the right, it changed to the next closed caption box that I have. And you can go back using the same tools. So now once you have all your closed captions ready to go and you want to export your video to post on social media or maybe your website, what you're going to want to do is come up here to the share button, and we're going to choose master file. So inside the master file pop-up box, we're going to go over to roles. Now click the caption box here. And where it says burn in captions, you're going to select English or whatever language you ended up choosing, and then hit OK. So now it will leave these captions in the video once we export it. Make sure all your other settings are ready to go, and then you can hit next. And now once your video has exported, you can see at the bottom here it has the closed captions, so I'll just let that play. Back to Final Cut Pro with the Fro. Today I want to show you how you can color correct and color grade your footage by using the tools inside of Final Cut Pro. So that's all I have for everybody today. I hope you understand how to use the closed captioning functions inside of Final Cut Pro now. Captions are great because it allows content to be shared with the hearing impaired and for those who consume content with the sound off. If there's anything else you'd like to know about Final Cut Pro, let me know in the comments down below.